Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to Carolina's Cottage. This is Johnny. I have put together 4 basic ideas for your Christmas decorating that will help you achieve the best Christmas decorating yet. Don't miss any of the tips in this video, and especially the summary at the end. It's a short video and packed with ideas. I know it's late, but these must-haves are easy to incorporate. Follow along and I will include an additional tip that will help bring your decorating above the ordinary and add just the touch your home needs for this Christmas and the following winter months. So what is the first tip that will give your decorating a boost? The use of risers adds so much to an area, and they help create a vignette that draws your guest closer in for a look at what's on display. A riser helps give your vignette depth, and it accentuates a few featured items. Alternate your grouping of items to allow the eye an easy path to follow to take it all in. I've used another riser to give additional height to my hearth. That allows me to repurpose that section for a lamp and additional decor. This beautiful riser is perfect for a nativity scene. The elevated height and rustic texture add a tone of majesty and simplicity. My second tip for the best decorating is the use of baskets and crates. Grouping unique items in a basket or crate gives them a sense of purpose in the room. It's easy to tie these objects to favorite hobbies, collectibles, or cherished keepsakes. These groupings add interest without adding clutter because the baskets and crates create organization and order. My third tip for you for great decorating is the use of garland. This can be traditional, rustic, or glamorous, or a mixture of these. This simple ornament garland is a good mix with my rustic entry cabinet, and it's a great way to display Christmas cards as I get them. I also use a second strand of these in my hutch in the dining room. Another thrifted garland is this wonderful crystal style garland that's perfect for any season of the year. Using thrifted garland and inexpensive ornaments keeps the cost low while still allowing for variety and a high-end look. Using thrifted containers and greenery also adds a storybook style if you combine these items with cottage-style decor. I like to use crowns in my decorating, and they too are appropriate for many different seasons. Other containers that help create vignettes and interest are trays and ornate serving pieces. These are things that I have thrifted or bought over the years on sale. Incorporating drop cloth and shimmering decor reinforces the marriage of glam with rustic simplicity. And the fourth tip is on how and what to add as accents with the risers, baskets and crates, and Garland. I have added greenery from Amazon and Hobby Lobby in addition to thrifted ornaments and my collectibles. I buy vintage Bibles and hymnals when I can find those. These are great for Christmas decorating and add both a nostalgic feel as well as a reminder of the reason for the season. You may also add pictures of family or pets into your decor. I have a small tree planned for grandchildren's pictures this year. I purchased small ornamental frames from Amazon, and once I have the technical issues resolved on my printer and Bluetooth, I plan to print small pictures of my grandchildren and devote this small tree to that. Family members love to see this. It reinforces memories and gives a few smiles. For now, I've started with a few ornaments that resemble Bear, my kitty. So, using those 4 basic pieces as a foundation for your decorating allows you to build vignettes while keeping your decor uncluttered. Risers add depth. Baskets and crates help with groupings. Garland brings continuity and movement. And accents are the way to personalize and bring feeling into a room. With these foundational elements, it's easy to incorporate favorite pieces that are in keeping with your home's theme and create a peaceful seasonal experience. I'm sure your decorating is complete by now. Please let me know if you have incorporated any of these 4 basics already in your decor. And if not, let me know if you made any changes after watching these tips. Let me know what your must-haves for Christmas decorating are. Have a very Merry Christmas all, and thank you for watching today. And I will see you in the next video.